Our team's ambition is to help you enjoy maintaining your bicycle. Maintaining your bicycle allows you to ensure your safety while cycling and to prolong the life of your components. Because we all prefer to spend time on our bike rather than maintaining it, we have made the maintenance process as quick and as simple as possible. For the first step, we have developed a degreaser in the south of France. It's 100% plant-based. You apply it on the whole bicycle transmission, chain rings, chains, jockey wheels and sprockets with a brush or a chain cleaner. This is the step that removes all those little abrasive residues from the transmission. The second step is the simplest, because all you have to do is spray the cleaning spray all over the bike. The aim is to remove the dirt while preserving the paint and other materials of the bike. So you rinse it, starting from top to bottom. Then dry your bike with a microfiber. For the final stage, it is really essential to have a bicycle transmission that is perfectly clean and dry. You apply the lubricant just on the inside surface of your chain. Whatever the terrain or the weather, what we recommend to prolong the life of your bicycle is to repeat this operation as regularly as possible.